You know what's so great about fishing? It's hanging out with your buddies. It's taking time out with your family. It's getting your fishing fix. Just you, the lake, and some open sky.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Born in the heartland of America, South Bend has been making quality fishing tackle at real-life prices for over 100 years. And they're still doing it. That's why I love them. Whether you're a guy like me who loves to fish whenever I can, or you're just discovering the simple joy of fishing for the first time, bring South Bend along. You don't have to spend a lot to get a lot of what matters most. South Bend, a fishing tradition since 1906.
Wow, that was a nice fish. You know, we're up here at Lake Granby in Colorado this week fishing for lake trout. Now, that's not a huge lake trout, average size probably for this lake, but it's a nice fish. Now, in this lake, we'll actually catch lake trout 40 pounds or bigger. So when you're out fishing for fish like that, you need to have a big, nice, durable, strong landing net. And I've got something brand new for you today from KastKing. This is the Mad Bite folding net. Great features in this net and very functional, and again, it is super strong. So no matter what size fish you're going to catch, it's going to fit in here, and the handle is going to be plenty strong to handle that, even though it is a folding design. Let me show you that. So as easy as it was to land that fish, now I actually have this in the shortened version right now because he was fairly close to the boat. I didn't have to reach out very far. But if I wanted to reach out even further, I just simply give the handle a quick twist, and I can extend that handle out that far. So now I've got plenty of length for landing that fish a little bit further, or if your boat's a little bit up, higher up off the water, works great. But for storage, simple twist, push in, again, another twist, push that net in, turn it over, and there's one little switch right here. I just simply pull that back, fold the net, and that fast, this net can store just about any place in my boat. Really convenient. I can put it along the gunnels, I can put it in my storage locker. The bottom line is, I don't have to have a great big huge net taking up space in the boat when I'm trying to fish. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And I think a lot of people tend not to use big enough nets because they're worried about it taking too much space. No longer do you have to worry about that. And just as fast, when you're ready to use this, if it's in the stored position, I simply fold it open, give a little twist, hold at the handle, twist it tight, and I'm ready to go. Now, one great thing about this net, and it's a feature that I would have to have in any net that I use, and that is a nice big hoop in the net. I want to land large fish. I want them to be cradled gently in the net because I release almost every fish that I catch. The other thing that I really need is a net that is hook snag free, okay? So those nylon nets, it's very easy to get the barbs and the hooks in the net, very hard to get them untangled. Okay, this is a rubber-coated net, so while it's possible to get a hook caught briefly, it's not going to last long. It's very easy to get that right back out. The other thing that's really important about a coated net like this is it's fish-friendly. So like this fish I'm going to release here in just a couple minutes. If I use those hard nylon nets, they actually take some of the slime and the coating off the surface of the fish, and over time bacteria can get in there and that fish can actually die. So if you're practicing catch and release, a good coated net like this is extremely important. I don't think you can do better than this one right here. And again, the folding aspect and again, the extension is really important if you have that situation that you need. Now there's one more feature that I really like about this net, and that is, maybe call it bragging rights, right? If you're talking to your buddies and you can quickly get a measurement on those fish that you've just caught. It's also important because there's many bodies of water that have slot limits. So if you need to know exactly how big that fish is, or maybe for it's a tournament purpose, and you need to make sure that he meets those minimum or maximum requirements, you can very easily check that because there's a ruler already printed right on the handle for you here. Now, the Mad Bite folding net is really strong. This is actually a patented design that we have. It's made of industrial strength graphite. It's got an aluminum lightweight handle, an aluminum frame all the way around, extremely strong, but again, very lightweight and easy to store, so I never have to worry about taking up important space in my boat when I'm going to go fishing. Now, it's available in 2 different sizes. This happens to be the larger size, and there's a smaller size as well, if you don't need one quite that big. And as you can see, they both come in a really nice storage case. Now, this storage case works great for keeping that net from getting hooked on anything, but it's also just a great way to pack it with you and put it in a backpack or luggage. And just that fast, it'll come right out of that storage case, and like that, you're ready to go. Nice little landing net. This is the Mad Bite folding landing net from KastKing. I'm Al Noriker. I hope to see you on the water really soon, and let's go catch some more of these lake trout.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.